Hey guys, today I have a brand new listing located right here in Coalhurst, Alberta. This 1,400 square foot home features 4 beds, 3 baths, a triple car garage, and a massive lot for all under $600,000. Let's go.
If you're one of the over 1 million people expected to move to Alberta in the next 5 years, you're probably looking for a slower pace of life and affordable small town living. Well, look no further than Coalhurst, Alberta, which is just a 5-minute drive from the west side of Lethbridge, which allows you the convenience of being close to the city while also being away from all the hustle and bustle.
Listing a property like this is an absolute dream because there is so much interest in a property with minimal stairs, as well as this open concept floor plan and these vaulted ceilings. And don't forget about that triple car garage. But let's start this tour off right here in the main living area of the home, where you have these massive windows bringing in that natural light, as well as these vaulted ceilings. Here you have enough room for the biggest, most comfiest living room furniture, but this area also opens up into your formal dining room space.
And just off of the main living area of the home is this beautiful U-shaped kitchen with tons of counter space and these R-course countertops. And check out how much storage there is in all of these cupboards, as well as this corner pantry in the corner.
And from back here is access to your triple car garage, as well as the backyard space that we're going to check out later in this video. But first, let's check out the primary bedroom.
And over here at the back of the house is the primary bedroom that's super private and away from the front street. And it also features a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite. Also on this level is another bedroom and a 4-piece bathroom, but enough of that, let's finish off the tour.
Now down in this lower level, you have another large living room space. And I could really see this being used as an awesome rec room, but I really do love what the current owners are using the space for, which is a theater room. You have these large lounge-style theater chairs over here with your projector wall over on this side. Now this is a really good use of space.
And what good would a space like this be without a wet bar and a full-size refrigerator to keep those cold beverages close by?
Now this would be an awesome space to see the Houston Texans win their next Super Bowl, but it could also double its functionality if you had some younger adults or some older parents that just wanted some space all to themselves.
Speaking of having space to yourself, on this floor, there's 2 more good-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom.
Now, if space is what you need after moving from one of those big cities, with all these flower beds here, just imagine the garden you can grow to maybe harvest your own food, or just turn this into a gorgeous paradise of flowers. Thank you guys so much for touring my newest listing with me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins from the Real Estate One team, and if you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to contact
me, Murray Wall, with the Real Estate One team right here in Lethbridge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.